Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a business signature for email. So we are going to use a website that is called theSignatureHound.com. So you just have to open any web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out signaturehound.com. And then you'd be able to see this website or this page. And of course, do not forget to sign in or sign up for an account. So you just have to click on here at the top, and then you'd be able to create your Signature Hound account. Okay, so as you can see, I have already created my account. So right here, to create a signature, you just have to click on the new signature or create a new signature. So just click on it, and then right here you just have to type out your business name or your signature name. Okay, so for me, we have the tool guide, and then just have to click on create, and then you'd be able to see these different templates that you can use. But before that, let us first fill out our personal information. So right here at the left side of your screen, just have to click on personal info. Okay, so later on we are going to use different templates. So right here you have to upload your profile image. So just simply click on select a file, and you'd be directed to your folder, and then just have to select your profile picture, and then just click on open. So right here below, you can adjust the width of your profile picture. So right here you have to type out the name. So I'm going to name this one as tool guide, and right here the job title. So you can type out right here the job title, but I will leave this one as it is. And after that, right here you have the department. So right here I'll leave this one as it is as well, and of course your email address. And right here the telephone numbers, you've got the main, the mobile, and you can also add more. So just click on this plus icon and you'll be able to add a telephone number section. Okay, now that we are done with our personal information, let's go now to the business info. So just click on this business information at the left side of your screen. Then right here, you can upload your business logo. So just simply click on the select a file, and then you'd be redirected to your folder and select your business logo, and then click on open. And then once you're done, right here you have to adjust your logo width. So just drag this adjustment bar right here, and after that you just have to type out your company name. Okay, for the company name, I'll name this one as tool guide as well. So you have to name this with your company name right here, and then after typing out this section, you just have to go to the address and then type out your business address. But to be specific, if you want your client to find your business address directly, you can simply add here an address or a map URL. You can also toggle this switch if you want this to be a personal address, but I'll just turn it off. So for your website, you can also type out right here the URL for your website. Okay, and then for your social media, you've got different options right here. For example, you have Facebook for your business, and Twitter or X, also for LinkedIn, and then Instagram, YouTube, and you can also add more. So there are lots of social media that you can actually add right here. So if you have lots of social media platforms for your business, so you can add the link right here. Okay, so you can also toggle the switch on for your personal social media, but I'll leave this as it is as well. Now let's go to the design. So right here I will leave everything as it is, but right here at the bottom, if you want to remove the watermark for the signature hound, you can simply toggle the switch on to remove this signature hound watermark. Okay, so this one right here, you just have to toggle the switch off in order to remove that watermark. And right here, as you can see, I have now my email signature. Now let's go to the call and action button. So right here, just have to click on this at the left side of your screen, and right here you can upload here a call to action image. So if you think you need this one for your email signature, you can simply click on select a file and upload your own image. Now let's go for the disclaimer. So right here, they have a default disclaimer. So if you want to use this one, so you can use it. But if you have your own disclaimer, so you can simply erase everything right here and paste your disclaimer right here. Okay, and then after finalizing everything, putting all of the important details for your email signature, you can now click on the install signature option at the top right of your screen, and then you just have to select that specific platform where you want to install your email signature. So you've got different options right here. So you can download signatures as source code, you can copy the signatures in source code, or copy signature on your clipboard. Okay, so now I am going to show you an example on how to install this email signature to specific platform. So for example, here on the Gmail, so right here, when you clicked on one of this platform, you'd be able to see a step-by-step guide on how you can install your email signature. So I'm going to show you this one example on how to follow this guide. Okay, so right here, once you logged in into your Gmail account, click on the settings cog into the top right corner. So right here, this is a step-by-step process. So you have to follow this one in order for you to install that email signature. So I am going to show you on how did I install mine on my Gmail. So to do that, just have to open a new tab and then log into your Gmail. And then here, let's follow the step 1. So let's go to our settings and then go to see all settings, and let's proceed to the next step. Now you have to scroll down to the signature and section and select the create new. Now let's find that signature section and create a new. So right here, just have to click on create, and then you just have to copy and paste your signature into the signature editor. So just copy the signature, and as you can see, now you can paste it into your email client. So just paste it right here. Now you just have to click on create, and then after that, we have to follow the next process where it says we have to select our signature. Okay, so we just have to go back here, and then we have to select the signature. Okay, so right here for new emails used, just have to click on it and then select that signature. Okay, and then once it's done, we have to save this changes. So just click on it, and then we can now start using that signature to send it to our clients. But you have to take note that not everything has the same process. See, for example, this one right here for the Outlook. As you can see, it has a different step-by-step process. So you have to make sure that you have read the step-by-step process of each of this platform for you to install your email signature. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.